we go. Go. Good start to the morning. Hello. Heck yeah. Nice fish. Well, holy crap, I don't know if you can see that heron. That's cool. Anyway, yeah, day 2 of the epic adventure, all of 15 miles from home, so that's good. Anyway, yeah, we're back at where we started yesterday, and well, we as in me. Grayson will come out and join me again later, but yeah, I'm on a solo mission right now. We'll see how this goes. I already caught that one you just saw at the Whitewater Park, and hopefully a lot more to come. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Once again, I'm fishing in a blizzard. Alrighty guys, it's story time. So, 5, 4, 6, something like that, years ago, me and my buddies were paddleboarding down the river here in, I don't know, July or August. Had to have been. Anyway, came around the corner. First buddy got through right past this giant log, which was actually about 300 yards up there. It's subsequently has washed out over the years, but still, same log. Anyway, first buddy gets past. Great. Second buddy paced himself on it. Gets his paddleboard wrapped on him. Stream's pushing against him. He can't hold it. He's trying to get the paddleboard off him. Of course, I'm a little ways back and I didn't see any of this happening. Come around the corner, biff it right into him. So now he's got 2 paddleboards pushed against his legs. He's trying to push both of them off. Meanwhile, I am face down in the river, holding my head up with water like up to here with my right leg pinned underneath the board. Yeah, it was terrifying. Landon, Zach, we need to get out and do this again soon. But yeah, I'd rather not relive that experience. Anyway, this has been Storytime by Elevation Angling. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there are so many swallows hanging out right now. I don't think I've ever seen swallows this early in the year. That's crazy. Huh, I was not aware that goosens took poops that big. Holy moly. All right, round two. Let's try out the Gunnison River State Wildlife Area. Here we go. Whoa. No, baby. No, 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 no. Whew. There we go. That's a fish. There we go. Yeah. Oh, oh yeah. Heck yeah. Dude, heck yeah, that's a day maker right there. All right, thanks, big guy. Whoa! Oh yeah, there we go. Spot fish that dude. Good, camera is rolling. I think this might be a rainbow. It is a rainbow. Ooh, that is a monstrously pretty fish. Oh, no, 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 don't get tangled in my legs. Actually, that's a brown, but regardless, still a redonkulously pretty fish. Ooh, 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 no, 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 not between the legs. Come on, come here. No, 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 no. Ah, ah. Come here, buddy. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh. No, 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 no. Dude, come back. Oh, jeepers, no. That is why you buy a net, but holy moly, that is a pretty fish. Oh. And it has got so much beans. Ooh, he was not hooked very well either. All right, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous fish. And he moves off at light speed. Okay guys, story time number 2. And it's not really a story, it's thoughts by John. But so I've been out since about 10 o'clock this morning, caught 4 fish. Not a like phenomenal day by any stretch. Not, you know, I caught fish. It's a good day, but definitely had better, definitely had much worse. But I'm standing here, my hands down my pants, trying to warm my hands up, as awkward as that sounds. You know, just enjoying the scenery. I don't know how well you guys can see that cliff up there behind me, but I was just, you know, standing here musing about life and things, and I realized that cliff is like, don't quote me on this, I'm probably wrong, but mostly because I'm not a geologist, but several million years old. But it's part of what's called the West Elks here in Gunnison, the West Elk Breccia. I don't know if you can see all the big clumps of boulders and stuff up there, but yeah, it's kind of cool geology. And not only is it cool geology, but there's a peregrine falcon that's been coming down and trying to pick off these little birds that are hanging out around me, which has been really cool. I haven't been able to get any of it on film, but that's not the worst thing. Something cool to enjoy. Anyway, yeah, while you're out fishing, guys, just take time to enjoy nature and warm your hands up awkwardly. It makes your day better. If the fishing's not good, at least you can enjoy what else is out there. That's all. Dude, yeah, I saw that dude rise. Oh, there he is. Hold him up. Nice. Woo! That was a day. Yeah, it was pretty good. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I'm not sure what else I can say. That's all I got. Stay tuned, more to come tomorrow and the next day. So, yeah, my boots blew out, so hopefully I can figure out a patch. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching.